Whew. So we quit van life. I'm just kidding. It was a weird day yesterday. We came down the mountain and entered into Sedona. We were camping out at Pump House Wash up in the mountains. It's like 18 miles up in the mountains. It was rough for Vanny. It was rough for the van, and I should have re-geared before I left. I should have got a lift before I left, because this mountain tested the van, and I blew out my leaves in the back, I believe, or they're just really loose. The drive in from LA was pretty bad on the 10. The 10 like shook the van the whole way, and the handling went, and when we were looking for a parking spot that night, I could hear rattling under the van. I thought it was the pots and pans in the cupboard, but no. This is where we are right now. We stayed the night. We got a parking spot right here. What happened was we went to Sedona and I parked, and right next to me was a vanner. It looked like a van life person because they had furniture and stuff inside the van, and everything was packed up in the front seat. So the telltale signs were there of a full-timer. We got a free night. So the van lifer came out of a little shop where we parked. Oh, check that out. Balloon. Oh, this is where we are right here. Check out the apartment that we got. No sheets. The toilet, my goodness, right now. The shower, are you kidding me? Kitchen, look at this. We're making coffee with electricity. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. So here's what happened. I parked next to this vanner, and they saw my rig, and they came out of this little shop and they said, "Oh, what a nice rig you got." And we got to talking about van life, and she ended up being like 6 years deep in full-time van life, which was cool. Alright, this Sony keeps cutting out on me. The batteries suck on it. I need to get new batteries. But anyways, I don't know where we left off. I'm going to start over again. I just wanted to shout out everybody that left a comment on my Diggy video. Thank you for your support. It really means a lot. And I wanted to thank all my new subscribers that have showed up since I started this. I think I got another 100, and it took me almost a year to get 100 when I first started building the van out. So thank you to you guys too for tuning in. I'm gonna try to keep this content coming on a daily, but it's difficult with my battery dying all the time, and you know, trying to get the files straight, and then having to figure out where I'm gonna sleep at night, and editing videos and all that stuff is, oh, it's coming second, because we're looking for showers, we're looking for places to sleep, and that takes time. And editing videos is like, if I have the time. So today we have the time. It took me all day to upload that diggy video sitting at Starbucks. Big shouts to Living Life, John Drives Anything, Cool Change, Hold Fast, Adventure Ready Van Life, Overland Venture Animal, Clint Glitch Rest, Big T's Perspective, FDG, and Robert Summers. Thank you guys for taking a moment out of your time. It means a lot. Part of this journey here is to travel across the states and find a place to land, find a place to rest, find a place to buy some land. So one of the main objectives of leaving apartment living and getting in the van was to travel across the states in search for a piece of land that I'd like to build on. And we're here in Sedona, Arizona. We drove through Quartzsite. We didn't stay at Quartzsite because, I don't know, a lot of videos I watched, you know, and people that I talked to about Quartzsite said it's, you know, it's an artistic place, it's quirky, it's creative. And when I got there, it didn't feel that way. And we left. I guess maybe I should have given it another chance, but we really wanted to be more in the trees, and Quartzsite was more about dirt, and it felt very Mad Maxy out there. I like trees. I like shade. I'm not a sun worshiper, and that's another reason why we got out of California, because it's sun every day. Some people might like it, but you know, too much cake will make you sick. So driving through Cottonwood, and I think it's Cornfield, there's some nice looking properties out there. So we're gonna check the internet and see what else is out here that's possibly for sale, and just check it out, because we're here now, and this was the purpose. So if you guys know anything about Arizona, let me know in the comments, and what's a good spot to check out. Sedona's very, very touristy. It feels like Niagara Falls in there, and we got hooked into a timeshare, what do you call it, presentation, and that's pretty much how we got this room tonight. Yeah, the lady that got us, or the lady that got me, said, hey, wouldn't it be nice to have a free hotel with a bath for your wife? And I was like, oh shit, yeah. You know, after the night we had up at the campground with no toilets and no nothing around, my wife was pretty upset, because you know, we had to use the facilities and we had to wait for the next day to come down to Starbucks. So when we came down here, we ran into her, and you know, she fed me that line, and I was like, oh hell yeah. So I fell hook, line, and sinker for a timeshare presentation. We spent 2 hours in a small room with other suckers. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, you know, hit that subscribe button and follow along this crazy journey. And for you guys that have already subscribed, hit the like, and thank you for the support. You guys are really getting me motivated to keep doing this. Yeah, and for the people asking how is it, you know, it's hard, it's not easy. If you're gonna try this out full time, please please, and if you have a wife or you're married and you want to do this, do yourself a favor, camp. Get in your van with the things you think you're going to bring and do a mock van life for a week in the streets, in your neighborhood. Drive around, try to figure out where you're going to shower and use the bathroom, use the internet, where you're going to power up. Do all that. Take 2 weeks. See if it's for you. I would have loved to have done that, but we were on a time crunch. We didn't want to pay rent anymore, and we've watched so many YouTube videos with van lifers, and I think I was watching some of the wrong ones. A lot of them are fake. I think they're doing it part-time and they just go home when they're done after a month. So yes, if you're thinking about this, really test the waters first. We would have tested the waters, but again, we're running out of time and we wanted to get out ASAP. And we're learning the hard way, which is how I've done everything in my life, the hard way. So with that, I'm gonna cut out, use the bathroom in there, take a shower, and then we're gonna hit the road. And I will try my best to keep uploads coming for you guys. Again, thanks for the support, and all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.